I know there are people who enjoy yard work, but I'm not one of them. That's why I'm always looking for an easier way to do a chore like raking leaves. Now, the problem is just trying to rake the leaves into a plastic bag like this. The bag never stays open. And of course, you can always put the bag in a trash can like this. That creates another problem. Once you start dumping in the leaves or the grass clippings, especially wet leaves, the bag has a tendency to pull into the can, and then you can't fill it up all the way. So, here's a quick and easy solution. Get a new garbage can and take a utility knife and just cut out the center of the can. Now, the lid has these little brackets, and that's what helps lock it on the can itself. So you want to make sure you don't cut those off. So come just inside and cut all the way around. It doesn't have to be perfectly round, but as long as it's close. And then just snap it on to the can. What that does is it keeps the bag in place. So now when you rake up leaves and dump them in, the bag stays exactly where you want it. Now, you do have to sacrifice the lid of a new can, but as far as I'm concerned, this is a really small sacrifice to make a job like this a lot easier.